What's up, you guys? Jason here. Today I'm going to take you kind of a little behind the scenes look at the van. And you've seen what's inside the van, but I've actually, with kind of winter coming along and the lack of sunshine, my solar panels have not been able to kind of keep up with the battery demands. So my fridge has been shutting off because I have it set to shut off if it reaches below 12 volts. So my fridge has been shutting off. So I actually ordered a second battery, a second deep cycle battery to install in the van. And I also ordered a charger to hook up to the two batteries. And I'm going to actually install shore power in the van so I can plug it in if I'm like at a campground or if I'm somewhere where I can run an extension cord out to the van and just kind of charge up the batteries that way. In the summertime, I don't think it'll be an issue. It's just now with the kind of limited sunshine, it's been a little hit or miss. I'll kind of show you what's going on because I actually had to take my bed apart to install the second battery and things like that. So I'll kind of show you the diesel heater, how it's mounted, and show you a few things like that. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, here is the van on the outside. Yes, I'm still at work. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. Still sitting here working on the van. Here's something that I've added. I took out the two shelves and kind of built this. The van's really messy right now. I got stuff thrown up front, and my bed's actually over here. I got wood right here. I got my stuff over here. I just got stuff everywhere. There's my charger box. Just been trying to get this stuff done. This is something I built. It's a table I can cook on, and it will, if I got my stove in here, it'll vent right out the roof, which is great. You guys seen the bed. Here is the actual frame of the bed with the top off of it because I had to mount the battery and everything like that. Here is the diesel heater. I don't know if you can tell, but I got like a little mat underneath it that I have mounted here. I found this in the plumbing section at Home Depot. This little mat is good for up to 25, I think it's like 2,500 degrees. Because this plate right here gets pretty hot and it's sitting on wood, so I was kind of afraid of that. I just maybe a little redundancy and maybe a little paranoia on my part, but better safe than sorry. As you can see, here's the wonderful cable mess. I could clean that up a little bit, but I don't really care, to be honest with you. Here's the diesel heater. Here's the tube, and then it kind of comes in back here and obviously comes out the vent here. As you can see, I've still not painted this piece of wood. Here's a little better look at my kind of, storage slash table slash whatever else. I got clothes and stuff here. In here I got just random stuff, lotion, laundry soap, deodorant, just crap like that. Underneath here is where I keep my dirty clothes. All right, let's get into this. Okay, here is the one battery that I had previously, and it just could not keep up with the demand. So I installed a second battery here, and I ran these batteries parallel because parallel is pretty much positive to positive, negative to negative, and it still creates a 12 volt system, but it will kind of double the capacity. If you go positive to negative and stuff like that, you'll create a 24 volt system, which we definitely don't want. Right here, let's get over here. So I'll show you. Okay, here's a little better view. Here is actually my fuse panel that I installed. It's a auxiliary fuse panel. It's got my fuse for my lights, my heater, my just everything. This is where all my fuses are for the stuff that runs off the solar. And then there's kind of just, I mean, it could be better, but I just kind of, this has been just kind of making stuff work. Like I said, I bought another battery, these cables, these two cables here, and then I bought this charger right here. Let's get over here. This is just in here right now. It's not this is not its final destination, let's put it that way. I just got it right here and I have it plugged into an extension cord and I'm just charging up my batteries. I will plug this in, or I will mount this somewhere and we'll kind of go from there. But the goal is I'm going to mount this, and then I'm actually going to drill a hole in this side of the van, and I got this plug. This is for my shore power. As you can see, it's literally like an extension cord. This charger will plug into this end, and I will drill a 2-inch hole in the side of the van, and I will mount this. You can see it's got the 3 mounting holes. And then if you lift this up, it's literally just a plug. I just plug an extension cord into this side. It kicks the charger on and charges my batteries while I'm sleeping or while I'm at camp, or you know, whatever the case is. As long as I got 110 volt outlet that I can plug into this, I can charge my batteries. And that's just a way to kind of, I guess, combat the lack of sunshine. I could even plug this in while I'm at work and it can charge all day while I'm at work. But that's kind of just what I'm doing. At some point in time, I might add where some people run cables from their alternator back so they can just flip a switch and charge their battery while they're driving. Some point in time I might do that. It probably won't be with this van. It'll be if I upgrade to another van, and at that point I'll take a little more time and build this a little better. This was more of a rush, a job than kind of a well thought out plan. But it turned out good. I really like it. So that's just kind of what's going on right now. It's kind of a little kind of behind the scenes, kind of underneath look at what's going on in the van. But so far, I mean, I've just been enjoying it. Diesel heater's been working great. I love that thing. I love it. I love it. I've just been kind of adding stuff to the van that I can swap to another van. It was kind of hard picking some of this stuff because I'm like, man, it's expensive. Like for this charger, the battery, and then the cables, it was almost $400 for that. But I kind of convinced myself, well, hey, this is stuff that can be swapped to another van. So that's kind of how I sold myself on buying it. But you know, I'm enjoying this life, so you know, it is what it is. So if you guys have any questions about anything in the van, it's kind of just a constant project. So like I said, if you guys have anything, any questions, any comments, please let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.